Cock it. Okay, let me stop. I just changed the color of my hair. I legit just bleached this, but I got bored. And tell me why I found this. So since the hair's in braids, you see these little hairs that are like low-key sticking out. I'm about to try to do those red. When I take my hair out, y'all, I don't know what it's about to look like, but that's the fun part. It's 7:43. Ugh, I just got red on my hand. What was I saying? It's 7:40. It's 7:44. I had a story to tell you, but I low-key forgot. So we just gonna forget that. Oh, there it is. Yo, I'm not diagnosed with ADHD, but I'm pretty sure. I need to lock in for like 2 seconds. Oh, my room is basically almost kind of clean. I was doing the moving video, I was doing the cleaning video, but I just said W. I just said forget it because it was a little bit hectic. I got sick, and then that month came, and I was like, forget it. Honestly, truly, I was going to, and I was like, I'm gonna take this off because I don't want to get red on it, but I also don't want to record with just a bra on. I think I'm gonna trust myself because I don't feel like getting up right now. And it's pretty high. I think I'm gonna take these braids out like August 15th because I got it done July 15th, and I was really thinking about taking them out today. Then I was like, it's only been 10 days. I just don't, I don't like braids that much. I mean, I do, but it's like keeping them in. Like, y'all, they be getting itchy and heavy. Well, these ones aren't that heavy, but you know, I commend y'all for keeping these in for however long y'all be keeping them in, because me, on the other hand, shoot. Only thing I like about it is I don't have to do my hair. And I know that's y'all obvious reason too, but I'm also okay with doing my hair because I like my hair texture, color, length, everything about it. So like, okay, you see these hairs sticking out? I'm gonna try to look with that. I have the little brush thing, but I don't feel like cleaning it, and I'm just not going to. I just don't feel like it. I just found my 3rd SD card after like a good month. It was in my little trash can where my battery, my camera battery thing was at. One day, y'all, I promise, not one day soon, but one day I will lock in, I think. I kind of do need the bowl because, like, even if I use my finger, I can't. Like, what am I do? Where am I put this? Don't do the things I do. I don't know what I be doing, and I don't recommend a lot of the things that I do, but I still do them because I'm willing to take that risk. I'm willing to take this risk. I'm gonna low-key let them sit for like a hot minute because I want it to be really red. And now, like, it's making me excited to take my hair out. Do I be having like full thoughts behind some of the stuff I do? No. But I kind of want it to look like the frosted tip. Well, not frosted tip, but you know when they just do like the ends of their hair. I really think that's cute. So I hope it looks a little like that. And if it doesn't matter because I'm still gonna like it because I genuinely enjoy dyeing my hair no matter what it comes out like, because my hair, it just works. It just honestly works in my opinion. And like, I'm happy because I can wash my braids and my parts don't get messed up. My hair doesn't puff up much. Like, I have a good texture, I feel like, when it comes to doing braids. Which is good for me because, shoot. Really random, the things that I do. I feel like this is not the first time I've dyed my hair with braids in. I feel like it's genuinely a lot of fun because you don't really know how it's gonna look until it comes out. But it helps you also like get to a lot of the hair faster. If I was trying to dye my hair like this with my hair just out like in curls, it would be so hard. Like you would have to really part it and stuff. But it's already parted. So now I don't have to do anything. I'm just rubbing some dye on some braids. Do I recommend y'all do this? Like, not at all. Like, literally no. I'm getting hungry too. It looks like I just put a pack of Kool-Aid on there. Let me bun it up so it doesn't touch mine. And I don't know which part is really my hair because regular hair dye doesn't stay on this kind of hair. The kids were playing in my hair today, so it looks so frizzy, bro. This side I won't be able to really see it because it's definitely darker on this side. The surprise will be surprised. I'm getting dye on my desk. I think, yeah, I'll give it, maybe, I don't know, I might just give it to them first. And I'm about to, oops, don't want to do some edges red. Just some of them. You might as well. You gotta create your own entertainment, bro. Don't be like me at all, bro. I promise I don't know what I'm doing. You can see they're already two different colors because this side is darker than that side. But I like it. I think it's really cute. So I'm going to leave it in for a little. And then we'll see. Or I might just end the video here because I feel like y'all won't be able to tell the difference anyway. With the braids washed or not washed. Well, y'all can see the edges. So yeah, I'll be back. Shoot, I might just take these out tomorrow. I don't know how. No, because I'm going out tomorrow.